The ingredients out. You got your marinara, you got your lentils, you got your fresh parsley, egg, seasoning. Come on, vegans, I know y'all see the egg, but just get your breadcrumbs and let's go to work. I'm gonna explain that. Put your lentils in the microwave for about 3 minutes until they steamy and nice like this. What we're gonna do is start to smooth them things out. I'm using a fork. You can use a potato masher if you like. Just get that consistency just like this. Throw your seasonings up in there, a little bit of black pepper, garlic powder, salt, a little smoked paprika. Throw your little breadcrumbs up in there with the fresh parsley. I know y'all see the egg. People, don't come for me. Just mix it up and make it look good. This is a vegan-ish dish, people. We're going to start to form our meatballs and put them down on some parchment paper. Throw it in the air fryer at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes until they're golden and brown like this. Throw your marinara in the bowl. Throw a little bit on top of those meatballs. Hit it with that fresh parsley and that Parmesan cheese. Come on now, this vegan-ish dish is looking so good because you know what we doing. We treating ourselves. We ain't cheating ourselves out here. Bon appetit. Come on now. Ciao, bella Italiano maravana. Hey, what am I talking about?